All right, Shalom. First, I want to give all praises and honor and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rakakadash. Double honor to apostles of Great Millstone, and salutation to elect that's pushing this truth. So, I want to do a short lesson on talking about that the New Testament and the Old Testament, they both go hand in hand, and the Old Testament is not done away with. So in these modern churches, Christian church, they only focus on the New Testament, and then they neglect the Old Testament. But you need to look back in the Old Testament so you can be able to understand the New Testament. The Old Testament the words of the Old Testament are important. All right, the Christian church does not pay attention to the Old Testament and just thinks that it doesn't matter. So I have a scripture. All right. All right, so this is Hebrews chapter 10, verse 7. Then said I, lo, I come in the volume of the book. It is written of me to do thy will, O God. So he says that he comes in the volume of the book. And the word is Yahushai, which the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. That's the word. All right? And it says, behold, I come in the volume of the book. So what is that book? The entire Bible. It's not just the New Testament, because people think just the New Testament, Jesus Christ, came and he died on the cross. And they think, okay, now you don't have to think about the words of the Old Testament. Jesus just the New Testament. No, that's not the case. It says right here, they come to divine the book, which is the entire book. So you can't say that he's just in the New Testament. All right. Because he's referred to in the Old Testament as well. All right. So it says they come to divine the book, which means that Yahushai is the entire book. The Old Testament, the Apocrypha, and the New Testament. Okay? And the Apocrypha is canon. Alright? It is canon. It counts with it was part of the original King James Version Bible, but it was taken away in slavery. Alright? Do your research on that. And you'll know that. But yeah, so I have another scripture. This is Matthew chapter 13, verse 52. Then said he unto them, therefore, every scribe which is instructed unto the kingdom of heaven is like unto a man that is in an house holder, which bringeth forth out his treasure, things new and old. All right, so you have to pay attention to the new, which is the New Testament, and the old. All right, you have to stop neglecting the Old Testament. That's a very bad thing. All right, this is what these modern churches do. Okay, so it says here you do the treasure the things new and old. All right. So stop neglecting the Old Testament. It is extremely important. And there's future prophecies in the Old Testament that has still not come to pass yet. So, you modern Christians are through. I have uh, yeah. So this was just a short little lesson. Talk about how the Old is very important. And the Old Testament is not done away with. And you need to look into the Old Testament as well, not just the New. All right. So with that, I'm gonna say Shalom.